I need to get caught up on finishing a street bike project that is 10 years past due. This is my VTR250 side panel. The long and short of why this is taking so long is because of how these parts are constructed. So this was repainted. It's ready to go back on the bike. What I want to point out is this mounting point. It is sort of a buttress lever kind of design here. The problem is, if I look at the right side or the left side fairing, I bought this as a damaged part, and I do not have the nice Honda designed and placed one. I've been fruitlessly trying to design or build my own version of this, and as you can see, it looks like garbage. It does not work. It's not placed correctly. This is a total mess. What I want to do is make a mold of this part so that I can reproduce the part and attach it to this side. All of this needs to come off and be removed. So what does this do and why is it important? You will notice on the fairing panel there are no screw holes anywhere. This is not actually held on with a screw. There's absolutely nothing on the fairing. There's some mount points up on the front, and then there is also one here down at the bottom that's held on by a screw, but at the back, nothing. How it attaches is to the gas tank, which has this little sort of latch design. It fits under behind there and wedges in and kind of locks onto the back of the tank. It's just interlocking, but the way Honda designed this, it's very prone to breaking if you crash the bike. And that is the only mounting point at the back of the tank. So I need to fabricate this piece. I'm not sure how to do that, but that's what this video is going to be about, is how do I solve that problem? You can see I tried putting aluminum in here and building up plastic around it, but this has to fit exactly into the gas tank, where it's placed here, dimensionally, everything else about that. So essentially I have to reproduce that, put it on here exactly in the right position, and I can put my bike back together. That is easier explained than actually achieved.